The overall goal of this procedure is to measure the maximum isometric force generating capacity of individual fibers from chemically permeabilized skeletal muscle samples. This is accomplished by first exposing the muscle fiber membranes to a chemical detergent, thereby removing the barrier between extracellular and intracellular contents. The second step is to extract an individual fiber from a small bundle of fibers and attach it to the experimental apparatus. Next, laser interference patterns are used to set the optimal sarcomere length for the individual fiber. Finally, calcium is administered to elicit maximum isometric contraction force. Ultimately, the permeabilized single-fiber technique provides an assessment of the contractile properties of skeletal muscle without the complexities associated with whole muscle architecture.
Visual demonstration of this method is useful, as the key steps to performing the protocol successfully can be difficult to learn.
Start by preparing the dissection, storage, and testing solutions, as described in the accompanying text protocol. Next, use forceps to prepare suture loops from strands of USP 10-0 monofilament nylon suture, using the double overhand knot technique. Prepare 4 loops for every fiber to be tested. Once formed,